Hi, I'm Mike Bogden
and Craig Neville.
And this is the Idaho Park Weekly Weather Report for
Wednesday, March 12th, 2025, and those 6 days thereafter.
That's right, Craig, and we're coming to you from the snow gate over on Sawtell Peak Road.
Yeah, that is correct, where it's a little bit on the windy side currently, and of course, as soon as we start filming, the wind picks up.
Yep, so we're going to get a little closer.
Right.
There we go.
There we go.
All right, there, maybe you can hear us without too much interference. Anyways, let's talk about the weather, Craig.
Yeah, get outside and enjoy the sunshine that you got today, Tuesday, because starting Wednesday, it's going to get a little bit, quite a bit cloudier and less sunshinier.
Yeah,
so
we got a couple storms coming in.
Old man winter is coming back again.
Yeah, which is why we're at the snow gate. It's not going to open anytime soon.
No, it's not. Well, it doesn't open until June 1st anyway, but yeah.
Just go with the flow here. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like we've got some weather coming in.
So Wednesday we'll start out with a little bit of sunshine, but it will be increasing clouds as Wednesday continues. And because of that, as the storm begins blowing in, we do expect it to be a little bit more on the windy side.
Yeah, we got wind coming in, and it's going to be coming and going all weekend, I'm afraid. So, but we got our first storm should hit Wednesday night, Thursday.
Yep. So Wednesday night, Thursday. Wednesday's high is going to be up in the high 30s. And then I think overnight low on Wednesday with the cloud cover is going to be the low 20s.
Yeah, so yeah, it'll be warmer.
Yeah.
And then it's going to get colder.
And so we will start seeing some raindrops mixed with snowflakes for Wednesday night, and then it will be mostly snow for Thursday.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a good couple of inches put down for Wednesday night, Thursday. 2, 3, maybe 4. Mike is thinking maybe a little bit more.
Well, I think Thursday is when we're going to get hit with the first storm. So Thursday's going to be probably the larger portion of it, and depending on how it hits us, I mean, we could get a foot. So I mean, it just depends on how this goes, and that's just Thursday alone. So,
and when he says a foot, he's talking about for the entire week.
Not necessarily. It just depends on. I mean, this one's a little iffy because it just depends on how these clouds go over.
Yeah.
But it's coming from. This is coming from the West Coast, up by Oregon, Washington, California area, and it's coming straight across, and and so we're going to get hit with some decent weather here this time. So,
and I'm thinking that the second round, the second storm that comes in Saturday night, Sunday is going to be the bigger one than Wednesday night, Thursday. And he's thinking that the Wednesday night, Thursday could be bigger than the Saturday, Sunday.
And it all.
Are you okay?
No, it's blowing in my face. Sorry, I had to catch my breath for a second. Anyway, so just like I said, we do have these storms coming through. There's going to be water with it. We don't know exactly how much water,
right, because
it depends on, they're coming in bands, so it just depends on where they hit. But it looks like we're going to get a pretty decent amount of snowfall out of this thing, and it is going to get colder, especially nighttime temperatures are going to drop. I'm showing some single digits or low teens.
I'm not showing that.
So,
low teens I'll agree with, but not until we get to Monday night, Tuesday night when the storm starts moving out.
And I'm thinking maybe a little sooner than that, but it is going to get colder. Daytime temperatures are going to drop. They're going to get down in the low 30s and even into the 20s for daytime temperatures, I think.
I don't see any 20s, but definitely down into the low 30s for daytime highs.
Well, like I said,
it all depends on if it's more of a polar snap and if it's not.
It is, but it's gonna be colder, it's gonna be wetter, and it's definitely gonna be windier. And
what I'm seeing is more of a southerly flow to our daytime temperatures and even some nighttime temperatures, and so I think it's going to be a little bit on the warmer side, but still colder than what it has been.
Yeah, I think,
and he thinks there's more of a northerly influence to it. So it all depends.
I'm going like this. He's going like that.
He's northerly. I'm southerly right now.
Yeah,
and mine just might be wishful thinking. I'm so ready for spring and summer.
And this is the Mason-Dixon line
right here. Right. Yeah.
So anyway. So if I'm right, then it's going to be more blue.
And if I'm right, it'll be more purple.
Or gray. Anyway, but
It's gonna be cloudy.
and if you stand outside, you're going to be blue.
You could, well, it could be, especially if you're standing out in the wind.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, speaking of wind, I'm expecting Saturday night, Sunday, especially Sunday night, to be the biggest wind event. We could see some 40-mile-an-hour gusts. So, Henry's Lake, tie things down.
Yeah, especially if we get some snowfall and then the stuff starts blowing, because it is coming from the west to the east. So it'll blow across the flat. So if we get some some snowfall, then the only good thing is it's going to be wetter snow. And with the fact it's wetter snow, it's not going to drift as easy as it does when it's really dry.
That is correct.
So it'll help with the visibility a little bit.
And because of this wetter snow, it'll help these hard snowbanks melt faster once this storm goes through.
That's true. But the other
that's what I'm looking for.
But the other thing is, it's wetter snow, beware of ice on the road.
Yes.
Because as this stuff melts on the road. Now, on 20 we use salt, so it won't freeze so much. But you get some of the other roads, the side roads.
Your side roads, yeah.
Yeah, especially Yelko Road. That one's a bugger. So.
Is that a bugger right now?
That's the worst one in Island Park. That thing and I said more than any other road I know.
All I know is I really don't like driving that road in the wintertime.
Or if people are driving up Stonegate and hit that hill.
Right,
That's always fun. They're going backwards, yeah. Anyway, so just be aware, we do have winter storms coming in. They're going to be here pretty much all the way until Tuesday. Tuesday it clears up and gets nicer. But until then, this is what you got.
Right.
So,
and for Monday, I'm expecting a good 4 to 6 inches. Although there is the possibility that we could see up to, like Mike was saying, 1.5 feet. But I'm thinking 1.5 feet with the Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday
I think
storm.
I think 18 inches between the two of them probably is about right.
I think it'll be a little bit on the lower end of that, but you never know.
No, you don't. I mean, but like I said, but we do have weather coming in. It's going to be weathery. So
yeah.
Anyway, with that,
and I agree with that. There's weathery stuff coming.
Yeah, weathery stuff, and it's winter weathery stuff coming.
Yes.
So you might want to get a hold of Bo, whoever your favorite blower person is, and remind them that you may need to get hit if this stuff goes. So because the traction, because it's wet, traction's going to suck. So you're going to want to get blown out.
Yeah.
Anyway, with that,
especially on if you've still got a snow floor that's been melting and now it's going to be all icy, and with the new wet snow on top of that, that won't make the traction any better.
No, and especially if it gets really cold at night, because then it'll freeze.
Yeah.
Anyway, with that, we just want to wish you a good week. Enjoy the lovely weather while you got it.
Right. And hey, there are some people that might enjoy this wintry weather coming up too.
I mean, it might extend the snowmobile season a little bit.
And that's what I was just going to say.
Yeah, so you can sell a few more tags.
Right.
Anyway, with that...
and yes, we've still got them. The tags.
Yeah, we do.
Yes.
Well, he does.
I do.
I just have the one on my snow machine. Anyway, moving back to one more thing, I wanted to...
I'm distracting him today.
Yeah, he is. Sorry. I already been distracted once. This is the second time today.
Right?
Yeah. So...
One more thing you were saying.
One more thing, yeah. I just wanted to wish my brother happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chris.
Happy birthday.
Chris's birthday was earlier last week, so...
okay.
Wish him happy birthday. And with that, let's just get out of here.
Wrap it up and get out of here.
So from Island Park, it's Mike Bogden
and Craig Neville.
Wishing you the best. Be safe. Be careful. Remember, love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.